All right, it's Wednesday and it's like minus 37 with the wind chill here today. And Dad just did some more mudding and painting and whatever else that he had to do here today. And he was spent an hour and a half vacuuming up the shop. I had Dad's vehicle today, and so when Peter came out, he didn't think that Dad was here, and he just did a drive-by and left. But you can see all the paint dust here and how much has to be done. Looks like he's sanded off a couple of the things on the dashboard here as well. We need another guy here, so if anybody locally wants to come out and help, we do need a guy to just kind of give Dad a hand, because Peter can't do a lot of the harder work, and Dad is 82. So anybody wants to do some apprenticing or help out, we would gladly take it. So about this time last week, I mentioned in a video, I said, geez, it sure would be nice for Dad to get 1,300 subscribers by the end of December. Well, he's had an explosion of subscribers lately, and we're at cruising in on 1,400 now. Last time I checked, I think it was 1,392. But yeah, if you haven't already hit that subscribe button, please do. Dad loves comments. Ask me every day, how many comments, and I give him all the comments. So if you got any questions, or maybe service requests, or you need parts made, give us a call. Some guy texted me here yesterday about the clips for the escape hatch. Dad can make a lot of the parts, so we've already sold a differential to a guy here this year, a bunch of other parts. So you guys need help, if we don't have it, we can steer you in the right direction. And Dad likes photos of your machine. He wants to see the photos regardless of where you are, even if you're in Canada, US, Norway. We get guys commenting from Australia and New Zealand and whatnot. So wants to hear from you all. He loves the fact that people are watching him from all around the world. And like I said, Dad's channel's really exploded here in the last month, and our viewership is way up. One thing I noticed is you guys really seem to like the outside videos. So we're going to try and do some more outside videos when we do the videos here in the future. But right now we're focused in on doing the restoration. So one other guy commented he wanted to know if this machine was available. I'm going to say yes, but I can't say 100% yes. But I think Peter just likes the restoration process, and this will be ready to go here in a couple of months. And then you can talk to Peter about buying it, and we'll do a walk around video when that's ready to go. So one of the things Dad noticed here today was when he took this is the passenger side door, took a closer look. It's a little worn out in the bottom, if you noticed. So no work was ever done on that, but that is years of neglect and damage. You can see the damage there, and that's all original insulation. So Dad's going to try and fix that, because I know we don't have a spare passenger side door in stock. But this is some of the things Dad has to deal with it. So Dad's going to figure out how to fix all that, and he's probably going to end up cutting a big chunk of that out and then trying to fix it on the other side as well. Likely reskin everything and put in new insulation as well. We found all sorts of weird things over the years. Yeah, so not much, not too exciting. I know it hasn't been too exciting for a lot of you guys watching us strip paint here, but we do have the back wheels on, the front wheels are on, sprockets back on, the differentials back in, all the axles are back on. They've got a lot of work to do here. They've got to get the other tires put on, but they also Peter's got to get his tracks ready. So Dad sent him off the other day to go get his tracks, and turns out they're not in great shape, so he's going to make a run down to Ryan Johnson down in Gimli and buy new tracks. And because we're going to be ready for tracks soon enough, and we also got to be able to move this thing down the road here, because once this comes in, if we've got a longer term restoration project, it's got to move it to this position. So there's got to be some maneuvering around here. Anyways, we're well past the 5-minute mark here. Minus 37. Balls cold here. Dogs are all going to be spending the inside here tonight, and Dad is just doing what he can do. So we'll check in on you guys on the next video. And thanks everybody for staying tuned for this long. I was looking for Emily. Couldn't find her. Thought she snuck out. And my dog's no dummy. I'm gonna go sleep in the Bombardier. Yeah.